My name is Aparajita. I had this idea to talk to people through any medium because I can't describe why, but I can just say it's kind of awareness, not to those who knows everything, but to those who need it. So today I want to tell about basically I would think how the whole topic is about how a female world. I'm not talking about all the females, but there are females who have similar thoughts and similar agitation and definition of happiness, sadness, agitation, everything may be matched with me, and I want to talk to those people. I took time, not today. Today I want to take the first step of talking. I don't care how I looks, how I sound, but yeah, I'm happy I started, and this is the easiest thing I think. Without thinking about any other thing, I can just focus on what I'm saying and whether I feel my heart is empty or not by saying all these things. So today I want to say I learned two things today, and immediately I want to spread this thing. See, if a girl is younger and they are not going, they didn't go through what other people went, so they need to know this. What is the topic? Never hesitate to step out, to talk about things what you really feel. Never hesitate to live your life. Never hesitate or never apologize. If you think it's right, do it. If it's a mistake, you will learn from it, and your learning can help others. So what I learned today, when we are not married, unmarried girl, if like a young teenager, something like that, if they talk to someone, okay, why I'm telling this, I spend lots of times not smiling, making very ugly faces like a grumpy lady, girl, all those things I did because I don't want to give a message to people who can think I'm interested in them. So I ruined my beauty and the emotions were to really feel who I am. So maybe because of that I looks like a tomboy, where I really wants to look like a Radha. But yeah, so no need to scared of anything. Know your values, know your ethics, stick to them, know your culture. Culture should be something which is not hurting anyone, and you have some social responsibility. Make your own responsibility which suits you and not hurting others. Hurting others, it also need a explanation, because if some bad guy loves me and I'm saying I don't love you, it may hurt him. So it doesn't, hurting means it doesn't mean like that. Okay, some will be get hurt frequently, but the hurt they are getting, is it meaningful? Is it have some value, some justice? Okay, so we have to keep justice, and that justice, the definition we have to understand. What is justice? What is right, dharma for us? So it's a complicated topic, and we try to learn it every day. Try to give okay, one thing to help you I can tell: do things which is very selfless. Don't be a self-centric person. Don't do things only because you want it. Self-love is different. So it's a deeper topic. Can't explain in one day, but I will keep on. If you have doubt, please let me know in which area you are struggling. I'll definitely try to cover that. And another thing, two things. Don't hesitate to go to police station if you feel someone is not listening to you and they need a assertive voice, and that's also not working, and they are making you, because of your kindness and things, they are making you more provoking you to be angry. Don't compromise on your calmness. Calm. If somebody is disturbing your peace, please go ahead. It's okay. It's not a, it's a good thing. If communication quickly, they will understand. Some people like लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते, all those things now. We hesitate to make feel other people bad or less, so we sometimes we take lots of care and they can't get it nicely. So two things, so be careful and make a clear note. If I'm smiling at you, don't get the idea. Sometimes people, boys, they don't have awareness, and they will think you are interested, so make it clear. And then after that, if you are married and something like then they will think, if you ask for help or share something, they will think you are interested in them, and they will started dreaming, and then they will blame you. So make it clear, guys. Let's live a life where there is no confusion and no compromise also. Who will think what we can't take that responsibility on ourselves. Be responsible. Make it clear. Don't hide anything. Make everything on the, like, bring everything on the plate and serve it. If someone like you, that's okay. If they don't like you, that's also very good, because they are not matching with your energy. So live openly, live freely, live authentically, live your truth. Okay, that may be not true for others, but you should be truthful to yourself. Okay, that's the message. And yeah, I hope I can talk more to make you this topic more understandable. So okay, thank you.